Get ready to browse. Today's Craigslist report showcases the best of excavators. Here's another great listing, a 2005 Bobcat 430 mini excavator, only 1,700 hours in the Missouri of priced at $28,900. Up next is a mini excavator Cat 305 ECR available in Connecticut for just $47,500. Next on the roster is a 2018 Caterpillar Mini Excavator 305E2 hailing from Missouri available for $19,600. Here's a special listing, a Mustang 250Z Mini Excavator in Missouri priced competitively at $18,900. Presenting a 2014 Bobcat E85 midsize excavator long arm, 18,000 pounds, situated in Missouri, offered at $36,900. Check out this 2015 Deere 26G mini excavator in California for an attractive price of $21,900.